Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you are unable to open Windows settings on your Windows 11 computer. So it's not opening or if it's crashing. So the first step is to update your Windows 11. To update your Windows 11, press Windows plus I on the keyboard. So on the keyboard you have to press Windows plus I on the keyboard, which will open Windows 11 settings. And if you are able to go to Windows Update, if it is crashing, then you cannot do this step. If it's not crashing, then you can go to Windows Update and then click on check for update. Once the update is installed, restart your computer and then try to open Windows 11 settings. Now the next step is to run DISM and SFC command. For this, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape key on the keyboard. So on the keyboard, press the Control key, then the Shift key, and then press the Escape key, which will open Task Manager. Go to File, then click on Run New Task, and over here type in CMD, that is CMD, and then put a check on the box which says create this task with administrative privileges, and then click on OK. Now this will open command prompt. Now copy this command. This command is provided in the video description. Paste it over here, hit the enter key, and let the scan complete. Now once the scan is 100% complete, run the second scan. So this time, once that is complete, copy this command and then paste it on the same window, hit the enter key, and once the second scan is 100% complete, restart your computer and then try to open your Windows 11 settings. Now still you are unable to open settings. In that case, press Ctrl Shift Escape key once again on the keyboard. Ctrl Shift and then press the Escape key. This will again open Task Manager. Now again go to File, then click on Run New Task and then type in PowerShell. I'm using the shortcut to open Task Manager because sometimes when you are unable to open Windows settings, you are unable to click any icon on the taskbar. So you can use the shortcut. So type in PowerShell in Windows search box. Type in PowerShell in this box over here and then put a check on the box which says create this task with administrative privilege and then click on OK. This will open PowerShell as an administrator. Now copy the first command. This command is provided in the video description. Copy it. Now paste it on the same window. Hit the enter key. Now let this process complete. Now this process will take some time. Now during this process you will receive some errors in red color. So if you see any errors in red color, just ignore it and let the process complete. Now once the process is complete, restart your computer and then try to open your Windows 11 settings. Still you are facing the problem, then again run this command. So again press Ctrl Shift Escape, go to File, run new task, type in PowerShell in Windows search in the search box, in this box I'm sorry, and then put a check over here, then click on OK. Again copy the second command, paste it on PowerShell window, hit the enter key, and now once this is done, restart your computer, and after the system restart, try to check Windows settings. Now if nothing is working, the last step is to update your Windows 11 using media creation tool. For this, press Windows plus R on the keyboard. So when you press Windows plus R, it will open run box. In this run box, type in Microsoft-Edge : now type in over here and then click on OK. This will open Microsoft Edge. I'm using all these shortcuts because sometimes the start menu, the taskbar icon, these things do not work. So if you are able to open the browser straight away, you can go to this website. This will take you to media creation tool website. Go to this website. Here also you will find media creation tool. Click on download now and then run this exe file. Click on yes to allow. Now this will load Windows 11 media creation tool. Now click on accept. By default Windows 11 would be selected. Click on next. Select ISO file, then click on next. You can save the location. You can set the location as desktop
and then click on save over here. Now once the download is complete, click on finish and then go to desktop, find Windows ISO file, make a double click on Windows ISO file, then run the setup file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow. This will load Windows 11 now. And here you can see install Windows 11, click on next. It will check for update, then click on accept. Again, it will check for update. Now before the installation, you will see the screen which says ready to install, and by default the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. Click on install. After the installation, log into your computer.
So one of the steps should help you to open Windows 11 settings. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.